Imagine looking up at night. The moon is gone. In its place is a colossal, swirling orb. This is our new reality. Jupiter, the king of planets, now dominates our sky. It is enormous, dwarfing our familiar moon. The great red spot, a storm larger than Earth, is clearly visible. Jupiter's bands of color are mesmerizing. They shift and change, a constant reminder of its turbulent atmosphere. Stars are almost lost in the background. Jupiter's brightness outshines them all. The constellations we know are distorted, their familiar patterns are broken. The night sky is no longer a place of stillness. Jupiter's presence brings a sense of motion and power. It is a constant reminder of the vastness of space and our small place within it. Jupiter's arrival brings more than just a visual spectacle. Its gravity is immense. It pulls at our oceans with incredible force. Tides become extreme. Coastal cities are inundated. The rhythm of the tides, once predictable, is now chaotic. Earth's rotation slows, our days grow longer, the cycle of day and night is disrupted. This has profound effects on life. Plants and animals struggle to adapt to the changing lengths of light and darkness. The very length of a year is affected. Earth's orbit around the sun is altered by Jupiter's pull. Seasons become unpredictable. The delicate balance of our planet is thrown into disarray. Jupiter's gravity doesn't just affect our oceans and our days, it also impacts our planet's tilt. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. With Jupiter so close, the tilt becomes unstable. Weather patterns change dramatically. Some regions experience extreme heat while others freeze. The increased gravity also disrupts the asteroid belt. Meteor showers become more frequent. Some are harmless and beautiful. Others pose a threat to life on Earth. The night sky, once a source of wonder, is now a source of both beauty and danger. The very air we breathe is different. The atmosphere, once stable, is now bombarded by particles from Jupiter's magnetosphere. This has unpredictable effects on our climate and our health. Life on Earth faces its greatest challenge. Humans struggle to adapt. We build new structures to withstand the tides. We develop new ways to grow food in the changing climate, but it is a constant battle for survival. Animals are hit even harder. Many species cannot adapt to the rapid changes. Migration patterns are disrupted. Food sources disappear. Extinctions become commonplace. The intricate web of life on Earth is torn apart. The loss of the moon is felt deeply. Animals that relied on its light for navigation are confused. The tides, once governed by the moon, are now chaotic. The night sky, once a source of wonder and inspiration, is now a constant reminder of our precarious existence. And yet, life finds a way. Some species adapt and thrive in this new reality. Humans, with their ingenuity and resilience, continue to survive. But the Earth we knew, the Earth we evolved on, is gone. In its place is a world forever changed by the presence of Jupiter. What lessons will we learn from this cosmic upheaval? Will we emerge stronger, more adaptable, more appreciative of the delicate balance that made life on Earth possible? Or will we succumb to the challenges of a world forever changed? Only time will tell.